Hi, I'm Chris Boggs. I'm the Executive Director of the Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers of America's Virtual University. I want to tell you a little bit of a story of something that's happened to me recently that made me understand what the normal homeowner goes through who is not in the insurance business like I am. A couple of weeks ago, we had a major storm come through our area and drop 2 trees on our house. Luckily, it didn't cause major damage, but it did create kind of a nuisance of having to get the damage fixed and deal with contractors and those things that I know every homeowner just loves to do. What has occurred to me is that I, being in the insurance business, understand how insurance works and how certificates of insurance work. So we've had the contractors coming out giving us quotes and telling us what they were going to do, and they all said, "Hey, we've got insurance, let me show you a certificate of insurance." Well, what I wanted to mention to everybody is that certificates of insurance are essentially useless. The contractors seem to think that by showing me a certificate of insurance right then that I'm going to be impressed by that. And I'm sure a lot of homeowners feel good that they get these certificates of insurance. The problem with it is the reality of what a certificate of insurance actually is. A certificate of insurance is nothing more than informational purposes. That's the only reason it exists, is to give you information about the coverages that they have and the effective dates of the policy. The problem is when you accept a certificate of insurance immediately. And I hope that, I'm not quite sure that makes sense, but here's the issue. A certificate of insurance, in reality, is actually only good on the day that it's issued. Not a week later, not 10 days later, not the day before. A certificate of insurance is a snapshot of coverage in time. It is only good the day that it is issued. So when you get a certificate, or when a contractor offers you a certificate of insurance, if it is dated anytime prior to the date that you're standing there talking to them, so today's October 1st. So if you're talking to them on October 1st and they give you a certificate that was issued back in July this year, it is no good. Because a certificate of insurance, as I said, it says that coverage is in effect on the day the certificate is issued. Any day after that, there's no guaranteed coverage is in effect. So that's one of the first rules you need to understand about certificates of insurance. You don't ask the contractor to show you their certificate of insurance. You ask the contractor to give you their insurance agent's information. When you have the insurance agent's information, you can call them directly and have them issue you a certificate of insurance meant specifically for you, because there's a box within the certificate of insurance that says certificate holder. That's where your name goes. If it says anything in that box other than you, and it was issued on any day other than the day that you asked for it, there is really no proof that insurance exists. Because if, like I said, if it was dated back in July, they could have stopped paying for it almost immediately. I had that happen to me when I was on the agency side. I received a call from a homeowner who said, "Are you familiar with this person?" I said, "Yes, he used to be insured here." And she said, "What do you mean he used to be insured here?" "I just got a certificate of insurance from this person showing coverage and showing you as the agent." Well, this insured had not paid his premium in a long time and hadn't had coverage through my carrier in many, many months. He was fraudulently issuing certificates of insurance. So as a homeowner who doesn't deal with insurance on a daily basis, I want to make sure that you don't get taken by just a certificate of insurance that doesn't have your name on it and was issued any date before the day that you asked for it. So please be careful as you're out there dealing with these contractors. I'm not saying that they're trying to deceive you, but you need to know the realities of a certificate of insurance and how it's intended to work and what it's intended to do. So thank you very much, and we hope we can help you, and we hope this has been beneficial for you. Have a wonderful day.